Well, hello, YouTube. It's me, Tri-State EDC, with the TRM. I talked to the old TRM folks at a recent knife show up in Columbus, Ohio, at River's Edge Cutlery, and they handed me this. They said, this is our new knife. Do a review. Dance, monkey, dance. Well, I'm dancing. And you're going to watch, whether you like it or not. Let's bust it open together right now. That's right, TRM, made in the USA. Mwah, mwah, chef's kiss. Yeah, they handed this to me. They're like, new knife, check it out, let us know what you think. And I said, okay, don't mind if I do. I'm not going to say no to what is ostensibly a $300 knife, I'm sure. Let's slide it on out. Really nice packaging. Love their colorway, the teals, the navies, the whites, the creams. It's all very nice. It's all very good. What do we have in here? A sticker? We got a sticker. We have, please do not take apart. No oil needed. None. Ballsy. Oh, yeah. Yeah. That is the Bulldog. It's the Bulldog, baby.
When you beat the Georgia Bulldog,
you're gonna get a
Bulldog bite.
Future me, link in that meme from like 20 years ago. Thank you. Yeah, this is the Bulldog. So, size-wise, this is like right in between the Atom and the Neutron. Right in between those two. The Neutron's the smaller of the two, the Atom's the bigger of the two. They've done some things. We have that deep carry clip that we love. We have the axis lock situation going on here that works great. Size comparison to some normal knives you may or may not know. PM2, para 3, smaller than both. Smaller. What the shit? What the hell? What the Christ? Can we get in the middle? Can we get these in the middle, please? Can we get it together? There you go. Right? They're just, it's smaller. It's smaller than both. So, like I said, between the Neutron and the Atom, both are small knives. So, there you go. Where is my rock wall? Oh, dear. I don't know where my rock wall is. So, you get a PM2 and a pair 3. There you go. That's what you get for size comparison. You're welcome. G10. Scales, heavily textured G10 scales, really nice textured, like jimped, whatever backspacer going on here. Stainless liners, skeletonized, keep the weight down. CPM MagnaCut on the blade steel. There it is. There it is. Bunch of good stuff going on. Flick and hole, let's pop her open. I gotta slow roll it. We'll get to that in a minute. There it is. Look at that. Beautiful drop points. So, thicker blade stock than both the Atom and the Neutron. I believe I'm correct, future me, in saying that they've switched to a thicker blade stock. But we still have that voluptuously thin flat grind in MagnaCut. What TRM does better than most is just make an obnoxiously slicey blade. God, they do a good job with it. There you go. PM2, pair 3. Again, smaller than both. Smaller than both. Not a big knife. Even though it's called the Bulldog, I guess it makes sense because it's thicker than usual, but it's short. Short and stout. Does that make sense? Okay, good. Great. Wonderful. Beautiful. Ergos on this guy in and, yeah, choke back. Easy 4-finger grip for me. Small to medium-sized hands. That feels fine. Big integrated finger choil. Choke way up. Thumb out here on the blade. That feels like home. Home sweet home. I got no issues there. Can I pinch grip it? I can. It's an all day. She's an all day pinch grip and I approve. Hot damn, that's a good pinch grip. Loving that. Very, very good. Killer Ergos. Again, great texturing, great grip from that G10. Feels good in the hand. I'm loving it. Every position. It feels like home. Now then, action. It's on. It's on bearings. Future me. Future me. What? Future me? Bearings? Bearings? It feels like bearings. If it's on washers, I'm blown away. Because it is a guillotine. I do have an issue with action, though. And there it is, right there. I just failed it. So, what happens They've wanted to keep the blade nice and tucked in here. The issue is the flicking hole is really high and tight to the handle. So it's really close to the pivot and it's really close to the handle. And what that makes for is a damn near impossible reverse flick. It makes for a really good pinch and roll, the old-timer pinch and roll. But for even the thumb flick is a struggle. It really is. I like this knife a lot, but the fact that I can't fidget with it is like negative 10 points out of 100. You're losing 10 points right away. Like, yeah, you can just pull the crossbar lock and do that. But if you want to actually fidget with it, there's not enough spring tension, and these flicking holes are way too close to the handle, way too close to the pivot. They need to be down here where the logo is. Honestly, if they just stretch this out, don't move it, just stretch it out to about here, that'd be money. That'd be money, because I can get way down here and reverse flick it. As it is, as it stands, brand new knife, I get it, and I love them. Thank you so much for letting me check this out. But that is a huge miss, in my opinion. It's a huge miss, especially at the price point. You know, I get it, American made with love, and I approve. But that action, man, that action. I want to fidget. I need to fidget. Little baby Tri-State needs to play with his toys, okay? And I can't. I keep half-ass failing it, and it really bums me out. But that being said, it is an exceptional knife. I've had this for a couple of weeks. I've been playing with it. I've been cutting with it. It's exceptional. Everything that makes a knife good is so good on this knife, except the action. Easy fix. Easy fix. Elongate that flicking hole just a little bit. Get rid of the logo. We know who made it. I know who made it. You know who made it. We all know who made it. Get rid of the logo. Extend that flicking hole out a little bit. We'll be in hog heaven. We'll be in knife nerd heaven. Capiche? But we do have to cut something. Magna cut on the blade. Nice tall flat grind. Thicker blade stock than usual. But, you know, watch this. You just watch. You just stay right there. Hold on. Holy cannoli. Did you guys know Lincoln Logs were still a thing? Had no idea. Thought they were a tale as old as time. Cutting performance. Magna cut. Flat grind. Lightsaber. Lightsaber, dude. God, it's the one thing TRM never fails on. Cut test. It's just dumb. Even with the thicker blade stock that they're using now. God, dude. It's a lightsaber. Out of the box. Out of the freaking box. I love it. I love it. Again, I love it. I love the ergos. I love the handles material. I love the feeling in the hand. I love the cutting performance. I love everything about it that makes a good knife a good knife, but that action's got to be fixed. Tighter spring, bigger hole, job done. We did it. We made a banger. We made a banger, team. Well done. Well done. That is the TRM Bulldog. I will leave links to Three Rivers Manufacturing down below. Please check them out for yourself. Like the video, comment, subscribe, become a channel member, Patreon member, email me on Instagram, TikTok, and Threads. I'm out there. I will see you on the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.